Hello. What I saw in your image, the PDF generated was landscape. One more thing you asked, as I mentioned in my gig in the offer, that the generated PDF will be plain PDF and can't be fillable PDF. There is some complication in it. Therefore, this is the simplest way. Otherwise, the thing will get more complicated. So first, the plain thing. The second is portrait or landscape. So when we are going to save this file, you have to select uncheck this option and check this option so that the PDF will be in portrait. Okay, so you have to check this will fix the portrait problem. One thing. The other thing, if you are using the Windows, you can always use these two options. Like, let me select this PDF as a template and this PDF folder as a source folder for the generated PDFs. So now what I'm going to do, I have to slow down the PC. Now you have to do one thing where, please, when you run the PDF script, do not click anywhere else. Let the script complete first. Do not touch anything. Just run the script and stay and let it do its work. Another thing, I have slowed down the PC, the script, so that this can run easily. And I think this will run for 1 minute or maybe 2 minutes, and this will complete all the PDFs. You can see it has already generated the first PDF. Now it's generating the second one. When this will be generating the third PDF, I will stop the recording to make the video short. So these are the things which I observed. First was landscape, the second was plain PDF, and the third, I have slowed down the VBA code so that it will not overlap. If you will find any error, you have to run it again, maybe, but hopefully you will not find, because I didn't find any error. Yes, another thing is that if your PC is very slow, then I might have to slow down the VBA code more to match the speed of your PC. Okay, so you can see it has already generated the 4 PDFs in less than 15 to 20 seconds, and it's working fine. Let me complete them, the whole PDFs, and then close the video. Hope you have got the idea. So let me stop the video here.